and welcome back to my channel. Charlotte says hello in the background, but I'm here to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for December 8th through December 14th. Now there's some good freebies and there's some decent gifts that you guys want to get or for yourself. Definitely go ahead and do that. But as you guys see right here on the front page, they do have gifts that are 50% off. Now they do have this Soap and Glory gift set for $20. It says it's a 6-piece set plus the box, so you guys can get it for a $47 value for 20 bucks if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I see that they got some decent stuff to try. I actually might get one just for myself to try it. They do have some. Can you shut that off? Can you? Sorry, there's a kid's toy in the background. Okay, sorry you guys, there's a little kid toy that just keeps playing and playing and playing. They do have some Starbucks items from $6.50 to $9.99. And then right here, they have this thing where it says get up to $30 in rewards, and I'll show it to you when I get to the next page. But basically, this is a deal where you guys cannot pay with points to do this deal, but you guys will get points. You just have them scan it, and you guys will get points for how much you pay. Now, that does not include coupons. So if you guys use $30 worth of coupons, like register rewards, then you guys can get points just by, buying $30 worth of stuff. So I might do something like that because I need to boost up my points. They do have canvas photos for 60% off if you guys want to go ahead and do that. They have household products, complete home facial tissue, and Ajax liquid laundry detergent for 99 cents if you guys want to do that. Maxwell House coffee, $4.99. They do have Blue Diamonds, buy one, get one free. Now, we do have a $1.50 off a 2 coupon from the 11/24 Smart Source. If you guys want to do that, I can't remember the prices off the top of my head, but I thought I saw something else, and why am I drawing a blank? Yeah, right here. They have toys, the $6.99 toys that buy 2, you get 2 free. So you guys would pay $13.98, and you basically get each toy for $3.49. Great deal if you want to do that. And then they got some Crest toothpaste. Now those coupons do expire that we already have for this week, but there's going to be a digital coupon. There'll be $2.99, and then you guys can use a digital coupon for 3 off of 2, and you guys would end up paying $2.98. But then you guys will get a $3 register reward, making it free. I'm sorry if the background bothers you guys. I have children. It's the only way I can get them to be quiet while I'm doing my video. Here is Garnier Fructis. They are 2 for $7. We are getting 3 off of 2 coupons in this Sunday's paper, so you guys will get it for $4. But then you guys will actually get 2,000 points when you guys buy 2. That is a deal where you guys can pay with points, so each one comes out to be $1 a piece. So I think that is a pretty good deal with that. They have those butter cookies for $2.99 and the praline cookies for $2.99. They have McDonald's coffee and Javalia coffee for $4.99. Pistachios for $4.99. And then right here, if you guys can see it, if you guys spend $25, you guys will get 5,000 points. If you spend $40, you guys will get $10 in points. And if you guys spend $100, you guys would get $30 in points. So that is before coupons, but after Walgreens booklet coupons are factored in. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Now they do have ketchup, some frozen stuff, and Hungry Jacks for buy one, get one free. If you guys want to do that. They have some frozen meals, 2 for $5. So yes. They do have some Post cereal for $1.99. Now, I do recall seeing a 50% off coupon from coupons.com. You guys would get it for $1.49. Quaker State breakfast is 2 for $5. I do know we had $1 off a 2 coupon also from coupons.com. So you guys can get those for $4 if you guys still have those coupons. Truvia and Nice Sugar are buy one, get one free. They do have, now this is different for everybody, but they have the Yellowtail wine, $5.99. You guys, when you buy 2, you can get $5 for a savings reward, which is like a register reward, just a little bit different. Coke products, 3 for $3, great deal. And Dr. Pepper, good deal for that. Snacks, nothing really popping out at me that's like a hot item. But they do have some candies, if you guys can't see it. They do have some candies, 2 for $4 if you guys want to go ahead and do that. This is stuff that's great for, all that kind of stuff. I just can't say the right item with the children next to me. More deals. They got the candy Kinder egg. If you guys buy one of these, you can get a free egg. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that. They do have the buy 3, you get 1 free of the Tide, Downy, Unstoppables, and Bounce. So those are all going to be $4.99. You guys can mix and match. Now some of you guys do have coupons for some of that stuff. I do not, but if you guys want to go ahead and do that, Miss Charlotte's just like, what? What's going on? Dixie plates are buy 1, get 1 free. Usually those are $3.99. Sometimes they're $2.99. But they're $3.99 usually. You guys can get them for $1 off of 2, making it usually about $3 for 2 of them. So if you guys want to do that. Okay, you guys. Continuing on, they got some paper products, nothing really popping out. All products is buy 1, get 1 free. They do have some garbage bags, 2 for $10 of the Nice brand. Now, those are the bigger garbage bags. They do have some candles right here, 4 for $20. That comes out to be $5 a piece. They got photos, 40% off if you guys want to do that. If you guys are actually interested in ordering cards, I would actually order it the week that's going on right now. They're 60% off. I got 40 cards for like 15 bucks, which I think is a pretty good deal. But 40%, it's up to you guys if you need to go ahead and do that. Now they're doing the gift card deal again. If you guys want to do that, but it's a $25 Google Play, and then it says or Wayfair, which is $20 to $500. So you guys can buy 2 gift cards and you guys get a $5 gift card. I wouldn't say that's a great deal, but hey, it's $5 of free money if you guys want to do that. Now they do have some toys, 25% off if you guys want to do that. Again, the $6.99 toys are buy 2, get 2 free. They have some other items. I'm just going to zoom out. Somehow I had it perfect and then it didn't zoom in. These are all buy 1, get 1 50% off. Nerf is buy 1, get 1 free. And then they got some other things here and there. They got the Sharper Image items. Usually I think that's what they are. Those are 50% off. Socks for $1. Winter hats for $10. They have those little Squishimals for $12.99, which I think that's just the regular price. There's nothing on sale for that. Lots of Christmas items on sale if you guys need to get anything new. And then now we're going to the personal care products. Makeup, they have Sally Hansen 2 for $5. You guys will get 4,000 points when you buy 2 of them. It's an okay deal. Eucerin and Aquaphor, if you guys spend $15 or more, you guys will get $8 in points. And then it says there's going to be a $2 off coupon online or in most Sunday's papers. So there could be some good deals with that. Great. Then we're going to more personal care products. Yeah, it's just kind of a slow week on that. Colgate toothpaste is $2.99. It looks like we'll be getting some 50% off coupons. So you guys buy 2 of them, you would pay $4.98, but then you guys will get a $5 registry reward, making them absolutely free. Arm & Hammer, buy 1, get 1 free. They have Speed Stick, buy 1, get 1 50% off. You get 3,000 points when you buy 2. That's a good deal if you guys need to add points. But then they have, you know, The Secret. Buy 1, get 1 50% off. You guys get 4,000 points when you guys buy 4 of them. If you want to do that. I'm not sure about coupons on that. I forgot to look. Personal care products. Nothing really popping out. Excedrin 2 for $22, which we get Excedrin free at Walmart all the time. Sometimes Target too. Medicines, nothing really popping out, and that is the last page. So you guys can go to the Walgreens website and actually look at the ad yourself if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Everybody's ad's different, but this is my ad. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys have a good shopping trip. I will be couponing on Sunday. I'm just kind of down in the dumps and I'm getting help for it. But I will be couponing this Sunday. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.